How to fix Brawl Stars sound problem. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Open your settings application, search for apps, then search for Brawl Stars. Here tap on permissions and allow the permission that are required for this app. Then next go back and tap on storage. If you have cache, simply tap on clear cache, and if you do not have the updated version, get the updated version from the Play Store. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.